Hey everyone, it's Jen with ChappyPlans. Thanks for joining me for a bonus Plan With Me video this week. This is my journal, so if you'd like to see it, stick around. Hey Chappy fam, thanks for joining me today. I am doing one last Plan With Me in my journaling spread. So this is just some filler paper from the Happy Planner that I've had forever. And I am switching to using my Passion Planner daily for journaling because I have the whole right side of Infinite Space Possibilities that has been blank for months. So I'm going to use this, and I reference it all the time for memory planning, which is very near and dear and special to me. So I thought it would be best to use the right side for journaling and have everything in one place. But I did want to share that with you. And so that's why I'm filming this. And I always do one Plan With Me a month in my less popular Plan With Me videos, and the journaling videos were always least popular, as well as wellness. So there will be some changes to my lineup as far as filming goes for October. You'll have to stay tuned to make sure you're following me on Instagram if you want to be updated on that. Anyway, what I'm using today are Allie's stickers. They're stunning. She does birds for every season, and she did these fall birds, which are gorgeous. I love the barn owl, the crows, and the eagle. And then I have her block prints, which is one of my favorite sticker sheets she's ever created. I've got a couple of khaki alcohol inks left. I have been hoarding pretty much all of them, but I'm like, you know what? There's 2 left on this sheet. Let's do it. I just create clusters on each side of the page, and I pulled this washi. Both of these are from Michael's. Sorry, these are from Michael's, and this one is from my friend Christy. So I am going to get started with Monday over here. I think I'm going to end up probably tearing this and using it like this. And I'll put my first cluster over here. And I pulled both of these because I don't know which one I'm going to like better. So let's see. This one. Oh, it's a lot bolder than I thought it would be. This is what I call my FOMO washi. If you watched one of my most recent Flip Through Friday videos, it's either the most recent one or the one before that. I grabbed this washi from Michael's because I like that better, because I had FOMO, because I'd been eyeing this tube of wood patterned washi for a while every time I would go to Michael's, and I was like, I don't need it. I don't need it. And then I saw Katelyn Plans use it in her junk journal, or maybe it wasn't her junk journal, but she does these phenomenal junk journaling spreads. She also does these phenomenal catch-all or dashboard spreads, and she uses paper and stickers from all different companies, and just it's beautiful. So I saw her use it, and that was it for me. I was like, I need to get it. Maybe my spreads will look as pretty as Katelyn's. that's why, ultimately. Okay. So we're gonna use this crow. Caw-caw. True story, and kind of funny story. I feel like this needs to be lower for the crow. Nora, in the morning, like when I wake up, usually she wakes up before me, but on the rare occasion that I'm awake before her, I will like make a noise so she knows I'm awake. And this started a long time ago. I don't know why, but I would just go, caw-caw. And so now, like, even we do the same thing. Like, even if she's already awake, like, she usually goes right out to the living room. She'll make her bed and get dressed, and then she'll go out to the living room and hang out with Matt, or just like chill on the couch while she waits for her breakfast. And I'll go, Coco, when I wake up, and she'll come like running in. I'll hear her little feet like going down the hallway. It's so cute. Anyway, probably like, that's weird. All right, let's do, oh my gosh, I don't want to use these, but I do, but I don't. I know you know what the struggle is, friends. I know you know. Like, how stinking pretty are these stickers? Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now we can do another one here. So that'll be Monday. And then Tuesday. It's fine. The words are upside down. Nobody cares, right? No one's going to like come and investigate my washi direction. Hopefully. I mean, that would be kind of weird. But so these are stickers from Allie's most recent release. And I'm on her rep team. Not her rep team. I lied. I'm an affiliate. She has an affiliate situation now, which is pretty awesome. So it's a great way to, I think it's a win-win for both of us. It's a win for her and it's a win for her affiliates. I'm gonna do this flower. I feel like it's missing something. It needs like, there's already these gold stars on the page and I feel like it needs like gold sprinkles. Let me see if I have something. Ta-da! I have this like random, I made this sheet of like from Happy Planner sticker books when I got rid of a bunch of them and I wanted to keep some things. All right, so I'm just gonna use these gold clusters. I don't know what sticker book they're from. I'm sorry. I like deconstructed and like got rid of a ton of my Happy Planner stuff a while ago, but I kept certain things. There's a lot of money's worth of stickers that I just could not justify like getting rid of. So, all right. I don't know how I'm going to bring in the alcohol ink, but we're going to try to do it at some point. Here we go. Thursday. So each of these little clusters represents like a day of the week where I will need to write. Buds. Look at this big eagle. Yo, I'm not messing with him. He means business, and I am not about to mess with that situation. Do you want a mushroom, sir? He said yes. What? So I was talking about being an affiliate for Allie, and if you are, and people use your code, which my Chappy fam is the best and have been using my code, the top 3 affiliates will get her like following month's release stickers for free 99. And we love free 99. At least I love free 99. I don't know about you. I feel like I want to bring in some of the khaki ink, but how? But how? I don't know. It's just to use them and add a little bit more texture, a little bit more dimension to these clusters. Sorry about my sniffles. I have a bit of a cold still. Thanks to Nora. It's the season. We tested for COVID a bunch of times. You know, we don't have it. It's just a regular, good old-fashioned cold. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I dig it. I don't know that I'll end up using this little triangular piece I have left, but I'll keep it on my hand in case. Okay, friends. Now what? We can put you over here. Like, they're all looking at each other. You see? Like, they're looking this way and they're looking this way. Maybe these two have a bit of a little, like, flirtatious situation going on, you know? I don't know, friends. This is my last plan with me, okay, in this journal. So that's what happens, apparently. This is what's happening. Leafy, leafy for you. All right. Gold sparkles. And we need to do some of this. Like so. Now I can do the sparkles. Sparkles. Like this. This one needs some sparkles too. All right. What? That's crazy. All right, I need 3 more because 3 more days of the week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Like, huh? Here we go. Friday, Saturday. So if you want to support me and buy all the alley things, then use my code and I will get like little credit, and then I can get more alley stickers and do more silly spreads with my alley stickers. Don't you just love that so much? Okay. Yes. Loves it. Needs to trim. But now what am I going to do for ASMR reels? Because I used to film my journaling spreads as ASMR reels, and I love ASMR reels for stickers and planning. So, I'll have to think about that. Well, obviously this crow has to go over here. And then this barn owl. I'm gonna have 1 barn owl left, but it's okay. I'll use it somewhere else. Yo, I'm not messing with you. Okay. Pumpkin. Leafy. I mean, do you want the skull? Yeah, I feel like it just goes. I don't usually do spooky, creepy, any of that, but I don't know. I feel like the eagle is spooky, creepy, so that goes with it, right? I'm super hungry right now. I can't focus because my belly is hungry. All right. Okay. So I didn't use quite all of the alcohol ink stickers, but most of it. All right. And then I just need to add a couple of gold clusters and I will be done. Let's see. Put some there. I do think it adds a little bit of extra. And you know I'm extra. We love extra. I kind of want to use them all just to get rid of them because I don't even know how long I've had these. It's crazy. I don't want you covering the owly face. I love the owl. Okay. And some there. No. I'm gonna do this longer one here. This one over here. Cat hair. Shocker. Okay, I have like 2 more. Okay, last one, and I will have used them all. That is so satisfying. Okay. Down here. Trimmy, trim, trim. Oh, and I gotta do the thing. Power disc punch for the win. Obsessed with this tool. It's the best of all time. I like to argue that I found it first. Not that it's a contest, but if it were, I would win because I totally did find it first. At least I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. And then I shared it with Planning with Bumble. That's how long ago I found this. And then she shared it. And of course, you know, everybody found out about it because her platform is 8 million times bigger than mine. Like 8 million, really? Yep. I would love to be as big as her and have like a Patreon at some point. Sometimes this gets caught up. It might also be pretty full and I need to just empty it out. But yes, this is in my Amazon storefront and I am obsessed with it. Almost done. The last thing I need to do is put the dates. So I'm gonna get this black dot, and then this way I'll be able to have a spot. You'll see in a second. Probably like, what are you doing? You're ruining it. You've ruined it. Just trust me. All right, so now I'm just gonna write in like days of the week. And there you go. There is my journaling spread. It's definitely giving me like fall, sort of creepy Halloween-y vibes. I love it. I absolutely love how this turned out so much. Oh my gosh. So friends, thanks so much for always being so loyal and watching my journaling plan with me videos, even if they're not your favorite, which that's totally fine. I will be switching over to spending some more time filming Passion Planner daily plan with me videos because that's what I'll be using for journaling and daily planning. So if you liked this last video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my content, because you never know, sometimes things get switched out. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and for being here and just supporting my craziness. You guys are the best. Take care of yourselves and remember that you're enough. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.